Okay, so today we're gonna make prawn biryani. So the main ingredient would be 1 kilogram of prawns, shelled and deveined, marinated with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 500 grams of yogurt. So you'll mix everything together and marinate them for at least 30 minutes or overnight. And here we have 3 cups of basmati rice soaked, and here we have some fried onions, some chopped corianders for the layering, some fresh mint leaves, 3 bay leaves, 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 3 star anise, 10 cloves, and 8 cardamom pods. Here we have some ginger garlic paste, which we will only be needing 2 tablespoons of it to stir fry the prawns later on. And here we have 4 green chilies, half and sliced. Okay, so first of all you need to heat up 2 tablespoons of oil to stir fry these spices. So once they start popping, you can add in your 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Give it a stir. So once the raw smell starts to go off, you can include your green chilies. Stir fry for about 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so once the chili has slightly softened, you can insert the prawns and make sure not to cook them too long, and make sure at this point you keep the fire on low heat. This is because you don't want to overcook the prawns, then later on it will be hardened. Now after you have placed the prawn in there, give it a good stir for a while before flattening them out on the pan. Okay, so at this point, this is when you will have to layer the rice together with the fried onions and the other mint leaves and chopped corianders. Layer them with some fried onions, now some mint leaves and some chopped corianders. Now the second layer of the rice. Now top them with some of the fried onions again, some mint leaves and some chopped corianders. Now at this point we're going to add in 1.5 cup of water to let the rice cook together with the prawns, and you will keep it on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is properly cooked, but do not open the lid until 30 minutes has passed after you've turned off the stove. Right, so here's 1.5 cup of water. Just slowly pour them onto the rice. Now we just cover it, let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. So this is our prawn biryani, served with some raita and an egg.